It's one of those questions that can lead to progress when you ask, where is the likeliest opportunity? Well, when it comes to necessary changes that must be done to protect the environment, our next guest knows the answer. Bruce Dahlquist is the president of DLA Architects out of Elgin, Illinois. His group is deeply involved in one of the likeliest opportunities to help the environment, green buildings. And he joins us now on Sky Radio. Bruce, thanks for joining us today.
Well, thank you. I look forward to sharing my expertise with you.
And we look forward to having it shared. What is green design? What's the potential for benefit to the environment?
Well, one of the premier advocates for green design is the United States Green Building Council. They define green design as design and construction practices that significantly reduce or eliminate the negative impact of buildings on the environment and its occupants. But beyond that, I believe that green design reflects the stewardship as well as leadership in protecting and respecting the environment, its resources, and the quality of occupant spaces. And the benefits to the environment, I think, are that it reduces the impact of construction upon our natural resources.
Now, what procedural differences are there in pursuing a green project?
The overriding principle is that integrating green components into the overall building program. And they should be embedded into the program along with owner needs, spatial relationships, building materials, and project costs. Green design should not be an afterthought. It's all-inclusive. It integrates the site, landscaping, building envelope, building systems, as well as the needs of the building occupants.
Now, you're conversant in this, and the building industry is, but does the public and, say, clients face a learning curve in this area of green design?
I think so. I think we have to recognize that green design does not have to cost more than conventional design. Early on, there may have been a difference, but what we're finding today is that green design does not have to cost any more than conventional design. Also, initial costs should be compared to life cycle costs. Non-green building systems may cost less initially, but they may not be cost-effective when you consider energy costs to run the buildings and the replacement costs of the equipment, which need to be replaced sooner. The last thing I think we have to recognize is that building owners now become caretakers of their building through their green housekeeping and operation and maintenance policy. And that generally includes conserving energy and electricity, using recycled products, and using green housekeeping products and procedures. I think the public has come a long way in understanding green design, but I think we still have a long way to go.
Well, Bruce, thanks so much for joining us here on Sky Radio. This is a very exciting area we've been hearing about a great deal, and we're delighted to have your input here.
Oh, thank you.
Bruce Dahlquist is president of DLA Architects out of Elgin, Illinois, near Chicago, where we reached him by phone. They're on the web, too, at www.dla-ltd.com.